Welcome to Year 1's class assembly. We really hope you enjoy it.
Last half summer, we have learned about lots of new things.
In this assembly, we are going to show you all art and history learning. In art, we have been drawing.
We keep our art in these huge sketchbooks.
In our first lesson, we're experimenting lines.
We use different mediums. We used pencil, pastel, felt tip, the charcoal and chalk.
I love doing zigzag. We have to draw with control.
We draw in different fruit.
I drew the strawberry and a lime.
We've been learning about artist Porkley. Straight lines, curved lines and lots of different shapes.
We looked at his and did on our own.
We use similar colours.
All our art is different and it is amazing. We are artists. In history, we've been learning about Vikings. The Vikings were around hundreds of years ago in the past.
Vikings came from a place called Scandinavia. We made flags.
Sweden, Norway and Denmark.
Vikings invaded different countries.
They travelled on longboats.
Some of us made longboats at home.
Have you heard of Spenthorpe Bid?
We didn't want to find out about them.
Born in Denmark in 960.
In England.
He lived and died in Gainsborough.
He was the King of England for 5 weeks.
In English, we are writing a non-fiction report all about Vikings. We have been practicing a text map.
All about Vikings! Where did they come from?
Viking workshop. We are so excited.
Well, we're on, but I can't hear anything.
We hope you enjoy our class assembly.